Candy Cane Cancel with Expert Village. So we've made our pattern for the body of the bag. The next thing we're going to do is actually cut out another front panel so that we could make a pocket that actually attaches to the outside. Really small, and you could just keep it with your camera at all times, so it makes it really convenient. So just go ahead and take the exact measurement of the body of your bag, and you're just going to go ahead and cut out about half of an inch on either side bigger, because what we're going to do is make it kind of a pouch pocket, and we're going to add a little bit of elastic so that you can pull it out and be able to stick things in.